Walt, go down this big slide. Let me see you. Go. Good job. Come here, Comet. Come here, Comet. Come here, Comet. Come here. Come here. Go on.
He's coming up.
Call him, Max. Call him, Walt. Call him up there, Walt. Let's see if you guys run that way, see if he can catch you. What? Did it. Huh? In a little, yeah, in a minute.
Leave my shoes on. I can go in the baby swing. Me too.
Okay, in a little bit. Okay, now run the other way as fast as you can. Ready? Go, go, go! Whenever you're ready, Max.
Can I go back?
Yep. Can you do it, Walt? Okay, wait. Max is gonna do it one more time and then it's Walter's turn. He's gonna show you how it's done. Okay, go. That was funny. Okay, watch out so Walt can do it. Okay, go, Walter. Nothing, he just spun around. Go, go. Just let go, it's fine. No? Well, if you don't want to do it, then let Max do it. Go. Go. Ah, there you go. You did it. You did it. Okay, go, Max. Max, you spun around last time. Okay, go. Let go. That's funny. Watch. Okay, let go, Max. Let go. Don't hold on. Don't hold on next time, Max. Watch. Max will do it without holding on and it makes him spin around. If Max does it without holding on, it'll make him spin around. Watch. Go down, but don't hold on, Max. Go. Go. Oh, Walter, your turn. Okay, let go, Walt. Okay, go. You guys are silly.